So my part of the lesson is consolidation and reflection. This really allows students to reflect on what they've created. So the importance of consolidation and reflection in our lesson, and really in all the lessons we have seen in this class so far, is that it gives students a chance to hear and learn from their peers. Every one of us is different, and thus we all have different perspectives and ideas in terms of music. I could be playing an instrument in a completely different way, which is what timbre is, than Simon or Mark, just because the way our minds work is different. By giving students time to reflect on the musical process, it gives them the chance to provide feedback to their classmates, and then for students to think about that feedback in a more critical manner that will allow them to evolve as music learners. In a normal classroom, this would work out great because students would play their piece of music in small groups with each member providing respectful feedback, which is important. And as a teacher, you would have to remind students to always provide respectful feedback. And this would allow the student to have a chance to reflect on their piece of music with this new information. Excuse me. The student's original piece of music, so in our case, Simon's, the one they received feedback on and reflected on, is part of their creative process. Therefore, I feel that consolidation and reflection is a crucial part of the creative process, which is a process that Simon, Mark, and I have tried to incorporate throughout our entire lesson on timbre. So, to conclude our presentation, I would like to ask you two questions that can be found on the slideshow as well. We would all appreciate if you post your response to on the Padlet link found on Sakai. So, the first question is: think back on your own attempts to play a homemade instrument in multiple ways. Was it difficult to find many ways to play it? Did you change the rhythm, beat, tempo, or pitch you use when playing a different way? This question is all about timbre and how you can create different timbre using household items like pots, pans, containers full of rice, beans, or other material. And then the second question: how did timbre work together with other musical elements like beat, rhythm, tempo, melody, etc. in the song Simon created earlier in the lesson? So this question is more about how timbre can work together with the other musical elements we have learned so far in this course in a song, and in this case, the piece of music Simon created. Well, that concludes our presentation. I would like to thank you all for taking the time to go through it and watch it, and I hope you all stay safe. Thank you.